Today is Earth Day, so I'm thinking about making some vegetarian food. We have Beyond Sausage here, which is a plant-based meat. There are different flavors of sausage, original, sweet Italian, hot Italian. And on the shelves below, there's Beyond Burger. So you can make your own veggie burger at home. But I think I'm gonna stick with the Beyond Sausage, and I have the sweet Italian one. Let's go! Ice cream cart is here! So many kids around. My favorites from Starbucks. A flat white and a warmed butter croissant. Breakfast time! Look at the sky. The cloud looks like ocean wave, as if I'm looking down into the ocean from a plane. So cool. Time to check on our dry flowers. The stems still looks quite alive, but the flowers are noticeably smaller and more wrinkled. We're getting there. Let's cook the Beyond Meat sausage. Since the flavor is sweet Italian, I will cook it with a red onion, which is also sweet. Okay, done with the onion. Now let's cut the sausage. It's much softer than regular sausage. It's gonna break anytime. It actually feels firmer when you're trying to cut it. I thought it was just going to fall apart. Alright, not too bad. Now the pan is heated with olive oil, and we're just throwing the sausage. Now let's just separate them and make sure it's cooked. Oops, I already broke some. I can't help it, it's just too easy to break. Okay, before I break all of them, let's just push them to the side and add in the onion. I will just keep stirring them until the onion looks caramelized, and that's when it's ready. Not sure what's the best to add, but I'll add some cumin and some pepper. A little bit of soy sauce. Sesame seed oil. Now let's go get some ingredients from our home garden. Let's take some parsley. Some parsley. It looks ready now, and let's take it out. I couldn't resist to add an egg. See, now it's a completed dish. The plate looked so lonely before. And let's do some final touches. Add a tiny bit of black pepper and some white sesame seed. Done. Beyond Meat sweet Italian sausage with red onion. I will go enjoy my meal now. Done with my food, and it's time to do some recycling. Here are some guidelines. On the left, you can put metal, rigid plastic, glass, and cartons. On the right, you can put mixed paper and cardboard. I have a box of what I hope is close to mixed paper, and a box of glass and plastic bottles, which I have all rinsed. Now it's time to paint. You can do a painting that is very similar to real oil painting on an iPad, which saves you paint, canvas, paper, water, and time. Well, the last part is arguable. I'm doing a painting based on the photo I took in a grocery store. So inspiration is really everywhere. Ta-da! Finished! The colors are so beautiful and they last much longer than real apples. But don't forget, an apple a day keeps doctors away. And that's it for Earth Day. See you next time.